Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Havana Blast Palette. I'm in love with this palette. I see myself grabbing it a lot. I'm going to get started with Latin Lover. And it's this nice, like, kind of like a peachy pink. And I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild brush. And it's this one right here. Place it all over the lid. I'm going to be going in with She Cream, and it's this one right here. It's a very nice fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start blending the edges right here. So I'm going to be using Babyface. And I'm going to be using this no name brush right here. I'm gonna be going in with Vanessa, and I don't know, I have all these, I've been buying new lashes, but I have not gotten to try them yet because I'm just so in love with this lash from AOA and Vanessa. I'm like in love, in love, in love, in love. I'm like always wearing them, constantly wearing them. Like, look at the difference. Like, even though I have eyelashes already on this one, like, this eye looks way bigger than this one. As it is, I don't consider, like, I don't have big eyes, but I don't think I have the smallest eyes either. But I do notice that whenever I do my makeup, you know, my eyes do tend to look bigger. Okay, now I'm going to be going back to the palettes, and I'm going to be using Caribbean right here. I'm going to be using the NYX Jungle Pencil in Milk, and using the number 10 brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm just going to be applying it right here. Like, I love this color. This color is really, really nice, guys. And now I'm going to be grabbing my liner from LA Girl. You guys know I love this liner. This brush from Eco Tools, and this is the one that I use to set my liner. Okay, so now I'm going to be going back, and I'm going to be using the color Treasure, which is this pretty orangey glitter right here. And for that, I'm going to be using this little spongy brush, which I already have some little glitter speckles on it. So I have already applied everything that I usually apply on my face, you know, to prep it. I'm just going to be adding some primer now.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you.
For lips, I'm going to be using this one from Lauren & Berry in the color Spicy. I'm going to be using this pink one from Milani, and it's called Fruit Punch. Like that, because I want it to be a little more pinky. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is how it turned out, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it's a great summer look, and I decided to go with this pink. It's a little brighter, but not too bright. I think it goes well with the look. We'll see you guys on the next one.
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue, but there are days you feel freedom to